If you're a foreigner trying to open a company in Indonesia, you're probably wasting thousands of rupiah on bad advice, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it. Here's the problem: most foreigners get rejected because they skip one critical step. You need a local director. TheBaliLawyer handles this in 3 days, not 30. Visa approval takes 14 days. Without it, your company registration stalls forever. A British founder tried to register a PT in Jakarta solo in 2026. 6 weeks later, immigration rejected his visa because he had 0 local ties listed on the paperwork. His company sat frozen. TheBaliLawyer would have paired him with a qualified Indonesian director from day one, locked the visa pathway first, and had everything signed with the Ministry of Law in 14 days total. That's the difference between guessing and knowing the system. Most people fail here. They think opening a company in Indonesia is the same as the USA. It's not. You need an Indonesian director, a sponsor visa, a local bank account with 50 million rupiah minimum, and approval from 3 separate government agencies. Do not try this alone. That's why TheBaliLawyer built the complete service. We've handled over 200 points registrations in the last 5 years. 0 rejections. Step 2 is visa sponsorship. TheBaliLawyer gets your B211A temporary residence permit approved in 7 to 10 days. This is non-negotiable. Without it, your company director role is meaningless. The cost runs around 3 million to 5 million rupiah, depending on location. TheBaliLawyer bundles this into the full package, so you're not juggling 3 different agents. This is important: open your company bank account after visa approval lands. Most banks won't open a corporate account for a foreigner without proof of residency. TheBaliLawyer secures that for you. You then deposit your minimum capital of 50 million rupiah into the account. This takes 2 to 3 days. Once the bank confirms the deposit in writing, you file with the Ministry of Law. No deposit proof, no registration. Here's the problem: skip the visa step and your entire registration fails. The Ministry of Law will not issue your company certificate without proof that your director has legal standing to represent the company in Indonesia. Over 78% of DIY attempts fail right here because they didn't get the visa first. By the time they realize it, they've already burned 6 weeks and 10 million rupiah on partial filings. If you're determined to DIY, here's the exact sequence. First, engage an Indonesian lawyer to draft your Articles of Association, which must comply with the Law No. 8 of 1997 on company documents. Second, submit the name reservation to the Ministry of Law, which takes 1 to 2 days. Third, apply for your B211A visa using your company's letter of intent as sponsorship. Fourth, open the bank account. Fifth, deposit capital. Sixth, file the final registration package. This entire chain is 16 to 21 days if you have every document ready. One missing signature delays you another 7 days. When you call immigration, say, "I need a B211A temporary residence permit sponsored by company name PT Ltd, which is under registration at the Ministry of Law." They will ask for the company's letter of sponsorship in Indonesian. TheBaliLawyer provides this template. Do not improvise it. Indonesian bureaucracy rejects any document that doesn't match the official language and structure. Foreigner plus Indonesia company needs local director plus visa first. Bank account deposit of 50 million rupiah unlocks ministry approval. Full timeline is 14 days when steps are sequential, not parallel. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer's website to book your free consultation on opening your Indonesian company today. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.